Traffic accidents aren't just a human tragedy. They impact animals too, creatures who have no understanding of the dangers our streets hold. With wild instincts, they often appear out of nowhere, leaving drivers no time to react. The result? Heartbreaking collisions that could have been avoided. In today's video, we'll take you through some of these terrifying and eye-opening moments, captured in real time. We're sharing this not to shock, but to raise awareness. At Paws for Awareness, our mission is to educate, advocate, and inspire change. Animals don't see the dangers coming, and they can't speak out for themselves. That's why we must step up as voices for the voiceless. Our goal is to build a platform that inspires change, promotes compassion, and helps prevent these types of incidents from happening. By supporting this channel, you are helping us create a better, safer world for animals everywhere. Subscribe to our channel to join us on this journey. Together, we can bring attention to these issues, start meaningful conversations, and work toward a world where fewer animals face these dangers. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We value your voice in this journey.